Hey guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. So Envato delivered some major news recently, and it seems that they signed an acquisition with Shutterstock. So yeah, they were practically bought by Shutterstock, and the entire Envato elements and marketplaces and all its subsidiaries are actually purchased by Shutterstock. And it seems that this happened really recently, and acquisition did not was not finalized yet, and the price paid for the entire Envato marketplace was $245 million cash purchase, and they bought 100% of Envato, uh, basically everything, its whole capital and other stuff they owned and other marketplaces and everything Envato was actually part of. So they seem to want to accelerate the long-term target of the Shutterstock marketplace of increasing its revenue with this acquisition. So yeah, I'm not sure what this will mean to many of the people who actually sell their stuff on Envato marketplaces, because Shutterstock is basically a subscription-based company. They are selling only subscriptions and not actually selling licenses as some Envato marketplaces are currently selling. Only Elements, Envato Elements was selling these subscription type services. But yeah, I'm not sure what this will bring, and I want to bring up a forum post here which talks about this change. And this is an Envato staff member. He replied that hey, I see that authors are asking questions, and I want to reply to you guys that currently there are no immediate changes of this announcement on authors, and basically time will tell what this new change and new owner of Envato will bring. So the worst case scenario is that they will completely shut down CodeCanyon, Team Forest, and everything that is not subscription based on Envato, and keep only Elements. Yeah, and best case scenario is that they will grow the marketplaces, but I'm not really sure of this. As I said, they are subscription based company and not license-based company as these Envato marketplaces are at the moment. But there's also a chance that everything will go with business as usual, and there will not be any major changes to Envato marketplaces on the long run after this acquisition will be done. So yeah, let's see guys what the time will bring us and what these changes will be, what changes Shutterstock will bring us, and maybe they will also bring some improvements to author experience. Who will know? Only time will tell. So yeah, let me know if you have ideas, comments of this, and I hope that things will go in the good way and not in the bad way. I hope we'll not get close to the worst case scenario that I described earlier. So yeah, this is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Your actions are really appreciated. Thank you for watching until then. This is all. Bye bye.